पणजेत येवपी प्रकल्पाविषयी जागृती करूंक काय पणजेकारांनी शेनवारा सेव पणजे मोहीम सुरू केली। हे प्रकल्प खरेच पणजे शहराक गरजेचे काय म्हूण तांचो प्रश्न।
The recreational areas are the important public spaces. It belongs to the city. It belongs to the people. They have to be available for the people for public use. And slowly we see an erosion of these spaces one by one. They are being either converted into paid theme park, or they are being converted into spaces for casinos and casino jetties, or they are being converted into spaces for the proposed ropeway. So this erosion of public spaces is a matter of a lot of concern for the citizens of Panjant. And what we have come today is to discuss these proposals. Basically, the idea is to create an awareness, and we are not condemning any proposals. We are trying to understand from the public viewpoint whether these proposals are acceptable or not. And if they are not acceptable, the idea is then to put a statement to the government to tell them that they need to review these projects, and if at all these projects are to be opposed, then we will oppose them.
आर्किटेक्ट ऋतु प्रसाद म्हणटा विकासाक विरोध ना, मात सरकारान थळाव्यांक विश्वासात घेवचे।
We are not saying no, but please tell us clearly what is happening, be transparent, take our participation, and we have to work on a balance. I'm not saying no to everything, but it should not be also yes to everything. It should be balanced.
सेव पणजे मोहिमेखाला पणजेकारांचे म्हणणे सरकार मेरेन पावोवपाचो निर्णय या गटान घेतला। प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार आणि चेतन गवस।